Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically automatically motion track your videos on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select your video. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to select basic. Then I'm going to scroll down until I find camera tracking, and this is a pro feature, by the way, so let me just say that before. You're just going to select these button here and you can track his face, his body, or his hand. For this one, because he's using a mask, I'm just going to track his body instead, and I'm just going to select the start button and wait for it to process. It is going to kind of zoom in a lot, well, not super a lot, but like if you did track his face, it would zoom in quite a lot, and it does take quite a few minutes. And I would just like to enable fit to canvas so we don't see the blur. As you can see, it does fit it, maybe just like lock object size, but it does like move around, and it'll show like this blurry background, I guess. So I do like to select fit to canvas, but it does like zoom in a lot. I'm just saying that. But yeah, that is it. That's how you can motion track automatically. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!